Your exterior doors do more than open and close. They protect your home, improve energy efficiency, and create that all-important first impression. In High Springs, where heat, humidity, and seasonal storms are part of everyday life, exterior doors take a beating over time. Knowing when it's time to replace them can save you money, improve comfort, and boost your home's curb appeal. Here are the most common signs it may be time to upgrade your exterior doors. You feel drafts or notice rising energy bills if you feel hot air creeping in during summer or cool air escaping when your AC is running. Your door may no longer be sealing properly. Warped frames, worn weather stripping, and outdated materials allow air leaks that force your HVAC system to work harder. In High Springs' warm climate, this can lead to noticeably higher energy bills. A new, energy-efficient exterior door can help maintain indoor comfort and reduce monthly costs. Visible damage or warping cracks, peeling, rust, or swelling are clear warning signs. Wooden doors can warp or rot due to moisture, while metal doors may dent or rust over time. Even small structural issues can compromise insulation and security. If your door no longer sits flush in its frame or sticks when opening and closing, replacement is often more cost-effective than ongoing repairs. Difficulty opening or closing, struggling with a door that sticks, scrapes the floor, or won't latch properly isn't just annoying, it can be unsafe. These issues are often caused by warping, foundation settling, or frame damage. Exterior doors should open and close smoothly. If constant adjustments haven't solved the problem, it's a strong indicator that a replacement is needed. Outdated appearance. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. If it looks worn, faded, or outdated, it can bring down your home's overall appearance. Modern exterior doors come in a wide range of styles, colors, and finishes that complement High Springs homes beautifully. Replacing an old door is one of the easiest ways to instantly refresh your home's exterior. Increased noise from outside. If you're hearing more street noise, neighborhood activity, or weather sounds than you used to, your door may be losing its insulating properties. Gaps, thin materials, or aging cores reduce sound insulation. New doors with improved construction can help create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Security concerns. Older doors may lack modern locking systems or sturdy construction. If your door feels flimsy, has loose hardware, or shows signs of forced entry attempts, it's time to consider an upgrade. Today's exterior doors are designed with reinforced cores, stronger frames, and advanced locking options that enhance home security and give you peace of mind. Moisture or condensation issues. Moisture buildup, condensation between glass panes, or water stains around the doorframe are signs of failing seals. In High Springs' humid environment, moisture issues can quickly lead to mold, mildew, and structural damage. Replacing your door helps protect your home from long-term moisture-related problems. The benefits of replacing exterior doors. New exterior doors offer improved energy efficiency, better security, reduced maintenance, and enhanced curb appeal. They're designed to withstand Florida's climate while keeping your home comfortable year-round. Whether you're replacing a front entry door, patio door, or side entrance, a new installation is an investment that adds both value and comfort to your home. If you've noticed one or more of these signs, it may be time to explore your exterior door replacement options in High Springs. A well-chosen, professionally installed door can make a noticeable difference the moment it's installed, and for many years to come.